In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create team discussions in Basecamp. Team discussions help you share updates, ask questions, and keep conversations organized in one place instead of scattered messages or emails. Let's get started. First, sign in to your Basecamp account and open the project where you want to start a discussion. Once inside the project, look for the Message Board section in the navigation menu. This is where all team discussions are stored. Next, click Post a New Message. This will open a new discussion window where you can create your topic. Start by writing a clear title that quickly explains what your discussion is about so your team knows what to expect. Then, write your message in the body section. Be clear and direct, and include any important context, updates, or questions you want your team to respond to. If needed, you can also mention deadlines or decisions that need input. Once everything looks good, click Post Message to publish your discussion. Your team can now view it, reply, and collaborate in one organized thread. And that's how to create team discussions in Basecamp. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating!